The queen went absolutely wild. She yelled,
I'm going to scrap that child! I'll cook her flaming goose, I'll skin her, I'll have her rotten guts for dinner.
She called the huntsman. In a blaze of light, she said,
My dear, are you all right?
All right. All right? Why, can't you see? I feel as rotten as can be.
She beat her fist against the wall and shouted,
Get me to the ball!
Oh no, she's not! Yelled Gadabout and waved his trusty sword.
Once, one of the ugly sisters, the one whose face was blotched with blisters, sneaked up and grabbed the dainty shoe and quickly flushed it down the loo. Then, in its place, she calmly put the slipper from her own right foot.
For I am the rat of the highway. The highway! The highway!
Woo!
Jack was keen. He scrambled up the mighty bean.
I am the rat of the highway. The highway.
I'll fetch it and drop it and fetch it and then...